Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Elements versus Compounds T Chart. So this is just a super quick video to show you what I would like you to do here. So whenever you open this assignment, I hope you noticed that there was two other attachments. One was the Elements note page, that graphic organizer that we did last week, and the other one was the Compounds note page that we did last week. If you don't have your copy, which you should, but if you don't, feel free to use those to finish this assignment. So if we look here, our instructions say drag and drop the items in the box below to the correct side of the T chart below. So this is what's called a T chart. And I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's got, kind of looks just like a T, right? So these things we're going to have to separate out into that T chart. So let's look at this one right here. It says a pure substance that cannot be broken down anymore. It is what it is. Hopefully we all know by now that that definition is a definition of an element. So I'm going to grab it. So I'm going to click on it with my mouse and I'm going to drag it down here and I'm going to drop it under elements. So there's that. So let's look at another one. We have matter that is made up of two or more elements and are chemically combined. So this is the definition for a compound. So I'm going to click on it with my mouse pad on the left, and I'm going to drag it down just like I did the other one. And I'm going to drop it under compounds. So I wanted to show you these little things right here. So these are 3D. This is an atom. And this is a 3D compound. So if you click on them, you get this little funky swirly thing in the middle. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. You can grab it and drag it around and look at it. It's kind of cool, right? Okay, I thought you would like that. So an atom is the smallest form of an element. So we would grab that one. So we're going to grab it and we're going to try, that didn't work. Let me see here. I'm going to grab it and I'm going to drag it down here to the elements. There it is, because an atom is the smallest form of an element. Okay, let's check out this compound right here. I'm going to show you how cool that is. Is that not neat? Check that out on your own whenever you're working on it. I just think that's the coolest thing ever. So this is a compound, so I guess it better go under the compounds one, right? So we'll drag it down here and drop it under a compound. Oop, come over here, you little thing. Come on. There we go. Okay, so let's look at this right here. Do y'all remember AU? Remember AU, give me some gold. AU is the chemical symbol for gold. So we're going to grab gold. Gold is just an element. It's not a compound, so we're going to bring it down here to the elements box. I'll scoot this one over a little bit. There we go, so we can see them. Okay, we're going to come up here and grab one of these compounds. Okay, so we've got H2, which means 2 atoms of hydrogen, O, which means 1 atom of oxygen, and that is water. So we're going to grab that water and bring it down here to compounds. So there we've got water. So this is how you're going to do this whole assignment. You'll come back up here and grab each one of these things and put them in the T chart below where they belong. Make sure you scroll down to the bottom of this assignment right here, and we're going to go over all the rest of them before you turn this assignment in, so you make sure you get everything in the right spot. Okay? Have fun. Don't forget to turn it in when you're finished.